Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for WIF price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, of course, we are looking for an overview for the bullish and the bearish scenarios and to see what is the highest possibility. Starting here on the daily, we have an A, B, and a C. Your wave A is of course an impulse and your wave B is finished three waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C, finishing wave A or probably a wave W here. Inside, of course, this scenario, you are looking for three corrective waves as well. In those three corrective waves, you would like, of course, to finish a wave X or a wave B. A, B, and a C, three corrective waves, and then a continuation toward the upside. Meaning currently we are in a bearish scenario, right? Which is our A, B, and a C, which is in magenta scenario here, of course, which is bearish, right? And we are looking to finish our wave C toward the downside. Your wave C is 1, 2, and another 1, 2, and then wave 3, and you're looking for 4, 5, 4, 5 potentially toward the downside, and that because of the massive move toward the downside here for a wave 3. Unless, of course, you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, an extended wave 5, of course, where you might have finished, of course, inside this blue box for a perfect fib level in an ABC and an expanding flat 1.38, 1.618. Now, of course, it is as well very possible that you dive a little bit deeper to the 0.618, which is, of course, can be a perfect fib level as well for a wave B or a wave X and continuation toward the upside. So, meaning right now with WIF, you are inside the blue zone. When you are inside the blue zone, it is a very, very critical price action, and it can start to move for higher at any time. Yeah, because anyway, we probably have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or probably you have a double 1, 2 was a very extended here. Sorry, not extended. So it was a normal wave 3, and then 4, 5, and 4, 5. Your highest possibility is a double 1, 2 here, and that because, of course, of the momentum that we can see in a WIF. It doesn't move like kind of like a little bit in a curve way or something like this. It's moving just straight toward the downside. And that give us a potential that, of course, this move is a wave 3, and you might be, of course, in double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, probably hitting the 1.618 very, very comfortably, even with double 4, 5 still very possible until you find strength again and move for higher. So now if we take a closer look inside it, we can see, of course, inside this area, you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And yeah, perfect a wave 1 or a wave 3 again. So highest possibility for me is 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's why I'm still with it. So 1, 2 as well, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So even inside this wave, you have unfinished wave 5 yet. You have double 1, 2s, and wave 3, and then 4, 5, and then one more 4, 5. Only to finish a wave 3, and then 4, and a 5. Yeah. And with this wave 5, of course, you might have finished in your opposite scenario, yeah, which is wave 3 here. And of course, your 4 and a 5 still need, of course, you need to see some kind of a V shape or, of course, something like a curve. But when you are very, very, like very strong momentum toward the downside, you would like to see kind of like range first and then start to move for higher, especially after a big scenario here. So higher possibility still, of course, to move for lower for WIF. Let's move a little bit inside the 4-hour chart. So inside the 4-hour chart, of course, as we said here, we have a double 1, 2s here, and then wave 3. Let me check the double 1, 2s exactly. Yeah. So yeah, it's a very nice impulses. So yeah, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, because we cannot take it also. I mean, as a big 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5. It can be, of course, but almost your wave 3 is it's the same length with your wave 5, and your wave 1 is very, very extended. So preferably double 1, 2s here, 3, 4, 5. And anyway, here we go. We are looking at a final wave 5 here probably for this wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 probably here to be finished. Yeah, so without taking the wave 1 invalidation, without invalidation. Very nice. 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 has to be very short here, has to be very short. It might take only the low probably, yeah, to not of course invalidate the wave 3 here. Yeah, you don't want to see wave 5 longer. Yeah, so probably a little bit taking the low and then starting a new probably wave 4 toward the upside. Now, okay, here is a key level, and here what you have to watch in case you are bullish from here. If we are in 1 2 3 4 and a 5 a finished wave C, yeah, you would like to see here 5 waves up and then 3 waves down and then continuation toward the upside. Breaking this level, meaning this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2, and you're moving high for a wave 3. Yeah, so this is your bullish scenario. This pattern, this pattern has to repeat anywhere in this blue zone, anywhere, yeah, at any time, at anywhere, yeah. When you see this pattern happens, of course, then this is your confirmation for bullish scenario. Of course, it might dive even lower, yeah. So blue zone meaning also this area. Now, if you are still looking for 1 4 and a 5, your wave 4 is gonna be like this. After taking this wave 5, your wave 4 is gonna be somehow like this: A, B, and a C. Now, what if, of course, you will say, okay, but it can still be bullish and moving toward the upside. If this happened, that means, of course, you are in 5 waves toward the upside. You got 50% confirmation for your bullish scenario. You went down with 3 waves toward the downside. You got 70% of your bullish scenario, and you went up, broke this level, and of course, moving for higher, you are at 90% bullish scenario, right? So this is how it gets confirmed, of course, in a bullish scenario. However, in bearish scenario, you would like to see 3 ways up. The price will take, of course, over this low. Once you take this low, meaning, of course, you are bearish. Very, very simple, right? And you're still looking for a wave 4 and a 5, and probably for 5. So this thing has to repeat several times here, yeah? It might repeat several times in case you are in double 1 2 in the top here to finish this wave C toward the downside. So I would say, of course, WIF is highest possibility still looking for lower, yeah, but inside the blue zone is always bullish. It means whatever it happened here, for how much time it's gonna take, yeah, you are bullish from here, of course, and possibly the 1.618 is a very nice level to watch, and next probably even the 0.618. However, I prefer still, of course, the blue zone, because anyway you can end up 4 5 inside it very, very comfortably, even if you are in double 1 2 in the top here. Yeah, 1.618 is a very critical level to watch. That was it for WIF. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.